Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, today we're going to talk about poached eggs. I'm getting up there in years. I won't say how old I am, but I'm getting pretty close to the geezerhood, and I've never had any poached eggs until very recently. And I was very surprised at how good they tasted, and I did some research. They're probably the most nutritious way for you to cook an egg is poached. You don't cook it that long like you do other cooking methods. I got a book at the thrift store recently on microwave cooking, and it's excellent book, and I've been doing more and more cooking with microwave. And one of the things the author mentions is that poached eggs, it probably cooks better in the microwave than any other method. That's one thing I like about this book. She talks a lot about different things that the microwave is suited for more than any other cooking methods. And that's what I want to focus on, doing some cooking with the microwave that is specific to the microwave, like poaching eggs. Makes it really good, better than any other cooking method. There's a lot of people that hate their microwave cooking. I know people that smoke 2 packs a day, or they barbecue in their backyard with pieces of ficus wood or oleander twigs, or they drive their car and they have to talk to the people in the back seat by looking at them while they're driving. But they'll say, "Oh yeah, microwaves are dangerous." Yeah, well, I haven't really found out any information showing where microwave is any more dangerous than any other cooking method as far as changing the food. If you guys find any links that do have studies proving it, I'm happy to look at them. But there are things microwave messes up. The food doesn't taste as good. But as far as altering it in a way that's bad for you, I really haven't found the evidence. So I'm going to be doing more microwave cooking. Let's start talking about this and get on with the poached egg. You just need an egg. You need like a glass container, which is best. You don't want to use plastic if you can help it. Or ceramic. A 1/3 cup of water. Maybe a little bit of vinegar. That helps the protein bind and coalesce better when you're cooking it. Maybe a toothpick to pop the yolk so it doesn't blow up on you when you put it in the microwave. Then slap it in your microwave for like 60 seconds. Maybe a little longer, not more than 90 seconds. And then use a slotted spoon to take it out of the container and you're done. Put on some toast or some grits or potatoes, and you've got a delicious little snack or a meal. Give this a try, guys. Super quick, foolproof, idiot-proof way to make absolutely perfect, delicious poached eggs in seconds. And you can put them on so many things. Like I said, you can put them on a lot of grains or potatoes, but you can also put them on salads. Give it a try. I'll be posting more things on the microwave as I do it. Don't forget to check out the other videos I have on cooking and the people I feature on my channel. Got a lot of cool people I like. They need more attention. I think you want to check them out. All right, guys, I'm Ramble here. See you out there.